Alright, you finally did it, and I hope you're happy with your image. And what you have to do now is just save it to the gallery, and then it will appear over here. So we have it here, but you will notice the resolution is quite small. So we have 1300 pixels. If you check, for example, what pixels you need to print on an A2 poster, that's a lot more. So it's 4 to 5 times larger. So what we can do inside of Invoke, that is actually quite nice. Let's go to the second tab here. It's Upscaling, but we need new models. So we go inside here and we have a look for image-to-image models. So let's see. We go down here and I will install the first one here, 4x plus this one. And then we need the tile model. And we're going to select SDXL. So let's go over here. After this is done, we can go back and let's see. Okay, this looks good. So what we can do now is go back here inside this and right click and send to upscale. So now we have the image loaded, we have our model, we have the scale of 4 times. And let's see if we can improve the resolution of this image. But this will take a while. Alright, this seems to be done, and the resolution is now 4 times higher. So now in Photoshop, let's have a look. So this is the before, and this is the after. So we gained quite a lot of detail. When you look over here, that's quite beautiful. So I think that's quite nice. It does a bit it depends a bit on the style you have. So right now this is a painting, so I think that's fine. But sometimes maybe it's over sharpened, so just look out on the details and actually zoom in to see. But you also notice there's a small color shift, so it's very subtle. But I think I like the original colors a bit more. So what you can do on Photoshop is go to the blend mode and go to color. So that's the second to last option. And what we have now is still the detail from the lower image, but the upper image does contain all the color information. So we can still have those original colors, because there's some shifts going on when you upscale the image. But I think now I'm quite happy. What we can still do is merge them together. So maybe let's combine them and do a smart filter out of it and apply some sharpening maybe. I don't think it's really necessary here, but for most print projects you want to have some small sharpening. So let's check here. So that's too much. I think it's glowing a bit. So let's make the radius smaller. Yeah, that looks good. Let's check on another portion. Just check where the threshold is between too much and just enough.